gon' feed 'em if you're coming for me. Hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got
Alright, good morning, guys. I hope everyone had a great day. Um, Good morning, Brian. Okay, okay. See, just give me a second, guys. Alright. See what we got here. Alright. Okie dokie. Let's have some music playing here today. Good morning, Nigel. I don't know what's been going on, but lately, as soon as it's 1 a.m. CST, All of a sudden, this volume just come from nowhere. The volume will just come from nowhere. And what's going on here? Do- Damn, look at freaking GJ. Interesting. Right. Hey Brian, how you doing?
Morning.
Good morning.
Mute my Zoom.
Did you see what gold and Nas been freaking doing all through Asian session?
I'm looking at that now. Yeah, you just have to be patient with Asian sessions. Sometimes you get good movement, sometimes you don't.
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna trade Asian the rest of the week. It's just probably gonna be pre-London. Even GG and EJ that we took forever. I don't know. I might take sales on Nas. It's looking like we should have more sales here, but we'll see.
Could be the time of the month too. I mean, time of the year,
Yeah.
October.
Good morning, Mario. How do you know when the trades have been taken? I call the trades. That's how you know. So I want to see how this candle closes on EJ. Late to the party on this one. See how EJ closes. What's wrong with the music? I think buys should be good on gold above 1669, Brian, based off the 4 hour.
Once it's cleared this resistance,
Yeah,
on the
above
left.
1669.
Okay.
Um,
Yeah, I've got my chart on gold.
and if it rejects there, I might take sales. We'll see.
Let's see. Yeah, 4 hours bearish. You give more weight to the 4 hour than you do the daily?
Yeah,
Okay, I thought so. You got a nice rejection candle.
mm, really, you just gonna stop following? You won't even let me set set up my stuff. Come on, pull back a little bit so I can get in. Oh man. All right.
I'll accept mine after speaking when I get back in town. I'll have my daughter do it.
What's that?
My copier.
Oh, okay. Oh, you're not in town right now?
I am, but I have to leave on Thursday morning.
Oh, okay.
I have a half sister in Chicago. She died,
Oh, damn.
50 years old.
I mean, sales on EJ.
Okay. Then gold's getting ready to drop.
Oh, snap. Look at GJ.
You is dropping too.
I'm too late on GJ. EJ's the play now. Now look at freaking EJ playing games. What did GJ do? GJ is still dropping. I'm in EJ. I took EJ's house. And this candle just flipped bullish. Is Rudy okay, Ryan?
Yeah, he called me last night. Working a lot with the kids.
Oh,
I think they had a lot of arrests a couple of days ago, so he was dealing with that.
man,
The
EJ.
job sounded like it could be pretty depressing sometimes.
Look at what freaking EJ did. Grab sellers in. I hope you didn't take gold yet.
No, I'm just waiting. Waiting for both of them, EJ too. Waiting for my crossovers.
Oh, you didn't take EJ yet?
No.
Uh, oh, shit, I need to see if we took it on my other thing. Did I take it?
I checked the temperature for Thursday and Friday in Chicago. 37 degrees.
Damn.
We went looking for a coat yesterday.
EJ should be falling. Like, what the hell? Oh, you closed at the bottom of the week. You got lucky. I'm still in. If this thing eventually breaks above 141, 250, that would be freaking insane.
I think it's gonna fall.
Yeah, he should fall. That's what he's supposed to do.
I think she's gonna fall.
You see, bearish setup.
Exactly. Yep.
But the previous bearish candle, I just wasn't expecting it to come all the way down like this. Plus,
Hmm.
I don't like taking entries like that. I usually will wait for that candle to close
Right.
before I take it. I just do that in order for me to avoid fake outs. That's why I
Hmm.
do that.
Exactly.
The question is it going to come all the way back to this support before London open? That's the question. Damn, look, man, look at GJ. GJ gave no room to get in at all.
I know. Yep.
And GG was what I was looking for initially, and then until I saw EJ. And EJ is freaking acting up now. That's crazy. Alright, I'm out. 10 pips. Shit out. Shit out. Took 10 pips less than. That's crazy. Losses like this is annoying as hell.
It is.
You took the freaking right trade, but price decided to do something else. If you look at it, the same thing it did now here, it did it previously, right here, and then went up. Now it did it again, go right back to the previous resistance, created a double top. Instead of it to do up, decided to break above. It's okay though. It's okay. Cause I like the 5 minute better now, Andres. I'm done. Even on the 30 minutes, I would have taken this sell because I would have seen it as a rejection.
Hmm.
Uh, mm, man. quarter four. Since GJ broke this support, there's nothing I can do right now other than for me to wait for a possible retest. Um, and try to catch the continuation. Uh, Let me update this. Did you catch the NAS sell in the Discord?
No, I went to bed early.
Oh, okay.
Hopefully I get some movement in London. If not, later on in the morning, because I got to take my daughter to the doctor's today and tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
You know, she had her ACL surgery, so today is her first visit back to orthopedic. And tomorrow's our first therapy session.
Oh, alright.
She was one of those child progenies growing up. Now she's trying to relive it.
Yeah.
She was the world taekwondo champion at 12 years old.
Oh, wow, that's impressive.
Yeah. Now she's 23, thinks she's still world champion. Tore her ACL doing something crazy.
Man, oh man. This is looking good here.
EJ's still gonna fall. Call up rejection candles.
Shit, he should have failed the first time. Shit.
It's gonna fall. It's ranging right now.
I'm not in GJ. Man. Right. Waiting to see how this 5-minute candle closes. Okay. This is where I like to just leave it as it is on the 4 hour. So 4 hour previous support, we broke it on a 5 minute. You got this support here on the 5. So I'm trying on the 4 hours. I'm trying to be careful on GJ. Actually, that's where it rejected from. Um, which is this support right here. So if EJ start crossing above 141 to 92, it should continue pushing up.
Hey. Not a thing.
Hmm?
Just waiting right now.
I'm not in GJ, guys.
Things slowed down for you at work?
Oh, that's Rudy.
Yeah.
Rudy, how you doing? I still can't see him or hear him. I'm probably gonna have to link WebEx to these streams. Once I figure out how to do that, then that's what I'm gonna do because this Streamlabs is not working.
Yeah. Right. And it's got a big time delay. Sometimes it does. On the camera. The video does.
Yeah, that GJ move was completely my fault. Boom.
Mm.
There you go.
Got in?
Yep, I think I got in.
No, I'm talking about Rudy.
There is no way EJ should not go up. It has to freaking go up, and GJ is gonna follow suit. You see? GJ is gonna follow suit because he rejected that support right here.
She just got some resistance to fight through.
Yep, so we're just gonna take EJ for now. It should fill all this up. See all this gap here?
Right.
It should fill that up.
Yeah,
So the 4 hour zone I had earlier, I moved it on the 5 minute. That was the mistake I made here on EJ.
okay.
Shouldn't have moved it at all. So we shall see. We shall see.
See, Rudy. You got in EJ for a buy? Okay. You can hear him, right? Okay.
Your moving average should be telling you buy now.
Just want to make sure.
Should have told you buy.
Did y'all win that game last night, Rudy? You don't know? Yes.
There was a game last night.
It looked like game busters the first half. I didn't watch it, but I just saw the score.
What game was that?
Raiders against the Chiefs football.
Oh. Yeah, when I lived in Vegas, I used to keep up with them.
Okay.
Now I don't.
I'm a big Astros fan. My wife and I.
Yeah, you're right, Oscar. But worst case, I think GJ should head back to 169.72, if not 161.050. But it could give you this setup here and then continue. It should continue pushing up because they already grabbed liquidity here at this support here at the 5 minute. It should head back to this previous support on resistance at least, or 169.72, and then it could start falling again, or it could eventually break and close above and continue bullish. Um, for whatever reason, my spread on who goes way with this EJ trade is shit, what was it again? It was like 1.2 pips. I'm back in the negative now. Good morning, Andre. What's your moving average telling you now, Brian?
Still in the buy. Everything is pointing in the buy direction. E made a swinging up. Pivots. So we're in a trading range. So that's just a matter of time, I think.
We'll see. If it starts going back up again and we're in blues, I'm gonna move myself to break even before London open.
20 minutes, huh?
Yep, we got 20 minutes.
Just flip bullish.
The whole of last week, 1 a.m. CST, the volume would just come from nowhere and it just keeps going.
Mm-hmm.
The same thing yesterday. Now today, it wants to do the complete opposite. It's like EJ just wants to keep messing me up. Good morning, Michael. Come on, push up, man.
Yeah,
Push up.
so nothing's fancy. Just three simple EMAs. You just add 3 times. 8, 5, 8, and 21.
Hmm. How'd you send you some money, Jenkins? Yo, congratulations, Michael. We missed it. You just moved too fast. And then we took freaking EJ cells. Feel like this buy is gonna play out though.
Mm-hmm. Still peeking at gold.
Oh, you are?
Just can't seem to break this supply area.
Earlier, everything was just gold was falling, now it was falling. Every single thing was just falling.
Yeah, about an hour ago.
Boy.
Excuse me.
I'm gonna wait for London and gold and nice.
You on Trading View?
Me?
I shouldn't do that because it's maybe not setting up on your settings properly. I no, 'cause you should have 1,000 different EMAs.
Oh, what price did I check this out? I can't remember. It was on EJ, Michael.
I just chose the one that says 3 EMAs, 3 exponential moving averages. Uh-huh. Yeah, just type in EMAs and you'll see a bunch of them come up, and one of them is going to say 3. That way you don't have to.
Yo, Zay, I'm good.
Then when you go into each one, you make them that color, whatever color you want. But yeah, right.
When I used to trade all the pairs, there was a time I took AUD USD. I took it on the 15 minute, and that trade took freaking 2 hours to give me just 20 pips.
That's AUD. That's about it. Now it moves a little faster during New York.
Yep, that was when I traded it in New York.
It's one of those days. This is not the fastest moving pair, but it's good for a newbie.
Yeah.
It won't give you them crazy moves, those crazy pullbacks. Like GJ does.
I said 10 pips an hour. Yep, exactly, 10 pips an hour. Man. All right.
You got it.
I'll tell Rudy to just use the triple EMA.
What you looking at, Rudy? Okay.
Have you tried the triple EMA on trading view? Just use that and change the settings.
That's what he did. Yeah, that's what I
Mm-mm.
told him. Yeah, so blue crossing red going up is your buy. So it crossed the red, way back at the bottom, right? Now your exit, let's say you're in that trade. Your exit is when yellow crosses blue going down like it started to do now, you would exit the trade. But I'm on a 5 minute. I'm on a 5 minute. Yeah, always trade it. I mean, you can trade on any time frame now, but I'm on the 5. So you see how the starting to dip. See now, not the candle, the EMA. So because I'm telling you, it will fake you out if you don't wait for the EMA to cross. It will fake you out. So don't be fooled by what the candle is doing.
Dun, 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 dun.
So that EMA has not crossed, it's just tapping it. Going down, exit. So that's the only time you'll be concerned with the yellow. Yellow only comes into place when you're getting out of the trade, whether it's a sell or a buy. Okay? It's a sell. You got it. And if that yellow goes back up to cross over the blue, it's the exit from the sell. So it's the only time the yellow comes into play. If you look back, you'll see it.
Man, EJ is freaking getting on my nerves.
But look further back. Look where the yellow crosses to tell you to get out of the trade. You see it buys. Then it crosses back to get in the trade. See?
This thing should be going up and fill up this gap to the left.
Okay, tell me what she had, because I sent it to her. I sent it to you. You have it in your DM.
Uh,
Yeah, I sent it to you a long time ago.
hey, good morning, Seven Candles.
Yeah.
I like your name, Seven Candles. That's
Just
nice.
again, just look. See what happened? Look at that candle. Okay, go ahead and get that fixed first. No, that's just say standard trade, right? So you're already in the buy. So you're safe until that yellow crosses the blue going down. Okay, so what you want to do is write it yourself out, put it on the top of your monitor. Have an entry, put it in big bold letters, right? Matter of fact, what I do with mine, everything is color coded. Even when I'm writing it out, all my notes are color coded. That way I don't have any ambiguity. So your EMA is going to keep you in this trade.
If this thing comes down to 141, 192, I'm out. I'm gonna keep my losses short and try to leave my runners running. I started the month of October very nice.
Yeah.
And this week has just been crazy for me so far. But hey, it's still Tuesday, so
Took me a while to just to keep reading over it, Rudy. So don't push it. Just keep reading over the notes. Read over one thing at a time. Blue, crossing red, going up, buy. Just write out in bold letters.
look at what Oscar said in the chat, Brian. Did you see what he said?
Why did we trade price at now? You got
Oh,
to
I'm out. I'm freaking out.
Yeah, he just did.
Hold on. I'm not out yet. Sorry. I'm not out yet. You saw what he said?
Yeah.
Boy, if I get out this trade and London opens and it starts going bullish, I'll be freaking pissed off as hell. But I'm still in. I was getting ready to, but it didn't touch 141, 192. So I'm gonna wait until it does that. All right, now I'm out. 7 pips. Man, this is annoying. Okay. All right, I'm waiting for London here. It's freaking annoying, my guy.
I don't. I don't. I mind my business. You mind his.
All right.
Right.
Man. All right.
Yeah, it happens.
Oh, where's my
Yeah, because I primarily trade indices.
uh you missed good sales or you took it, Brian? Oh, damn, Brian.
I didn't take it.
You caught Nas?
Yes.
Wow. And you didn't tell me.
Indicators crossed. A guy, a jerk had me distracted.
I'm just gonna wait for London here. I hate
As you
losing.
see, it's still falling. Yeah.
I hate losing two trades in a row. EJ got me distracted. If not, I would have seen this Nas. And it's freaking falling like crazy.
It is. Yeah, don't jump in that open too.
No, 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 no. Don't jump in now. He fell 600 points already.
Yep.
When I took it, when I took Nas earlier, this is the exact same move that I anticipated, but I guess it was not ready. I got stopped out at 180 points. Um, but now it is dropping. Alright.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Just read your notes. Mm-hmm. Yeah, market. Mm-hmm.
Just looking like
Mark it
it
with the arrow
man.
or something, so you see where it crossed. And it crossed way up there. You see it? It crossed. Mm-hmm. And it actually crossed before it got past that support. I mean that resistance support. I'm sorry.
Oh man.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Damn, Brian, I'm mad at you.
You got in?
Me?
Yes.
Oh no 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 no.
Oh.
Oh, I said I'm mad at you.
Oh, for not telling you?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
See, that would have made up for this freaking
All
EJ
your
losses.
losses.
Cause damn, he dropped from where I would have got in. He dropped like 650 points, 65 pips.
You don't have to worry about that yellow anymore. Not for a while.
All right.
Well, because they had been consolidating, right? So it's. But if you look further back on NAS, it's easier to tell because you see where it broke.
Oh, he took you out at 20 pips, Michael? Man, oh man. That's why I don't like London Open. If I'm in a trade before London Open, I'm in profit. If I'm not at 10 pips yet, I will at least move it to break even.
Okay.
Cause with London Open, anything can happen.
Right.
Oh, you took pastures at least. All right. I mean, you're good then. I think for the rest of the year,
London.
I'm gonna wait till London Open. Cause the losses I had yesterday, today they were all before London Open. I don't know.
What about between 7 and 9 during the opening of Asian session?
Yeah, it's crazy how here we took a sell below 141, 241. Did not fall. As it started breaking above, we took a buy. Did not fill up this gap, but rejected off this support. Um, this sell here, I do not have enough pip range, so um, except if it goes all the way back to these 4-hour lows here, which it should. Let's see. Do, 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 do. I'm sure you're out of NAS, right?
Yes.
Yeah. For me, guys, I'm not in any position. I'm not in EJ. I just have it on there. I'm not gonna get in until it breaks below this support. This is just a paper trade. Alright, I'll look at it, Michael. Looking at this thing on the 30-minute, it should continue falling.
Hmm.
But I'm gonna wait. If I don't have no entry in the next hour and 30 minutes, I'm gonna wait until after the 4-hour candle open. So you and Rudy caught Nas?
No, Rudy didn't get it.
Oh. I'm anticipating a lot of
That's
volume. Huh?
alerts.
I'm anticipating a good volume today on NAS during NY Open. Oh, let me let people know that I'm not in before they think I'm in.
Alerts, EJ.
EG is just freaking playing too many games.
It is.
Too many games. I mean, it's in this range, but damn.
That's why I stopped trading those pairs.
I mean, it usually doesn't do this. And I don't want to start trading NAS on stream because you know how NAS is.
Right. That's why I like just trading indices.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I go to go late. Now I'm late. Yeah, I definitely will be trading New York today. Oh. And to think, I used to hate trading gold, and gold has really, really been making me money.
I remember. Everybody would come on and ask me, do you trade gold? No, I do not trade gold.
The music is on, Jay Smith. Is it now playing? It's playing.
Yeah, we don't hear it either.
You don't?
No.
It's playing.
Hmm.
Maybe it's too low. Yeah, I used to hate gold.
Yeah, like I said, you control your lot size. Yeah, you determine your lot size. I'm just not sure how the stop loss, the stop loss works.
Boy, you boy.
Yeah, but a lot of shots is all on you.
I swear, if EJ breaks above 141, 350, and I freaking take a buy,
Hmm.
and if it doesn't continue pushing up, I'm done. I'm completely done.
All part of trading. You know, for a long time, not for a long time, I've been trading for 16 months now. That's why I trade alone. I don't like noise. I don't like idiots involved in my business. That's how I live my personal life as well. I don't like unsolicited advice. I don't give it, and I don't accept it.
Especially, especially in this industry, if you make the decision to have a YouTube channel or like
Hmm.
be on the what do they call it, limelight,
Yeah, so I understand that part of it.
and you do not have a very thick skin, man, you might go into depression.
Yeah, I won't go into depression. I'll put you in depression before I go into depression. I'll put you in depression before I go into depression.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That you need thick skin
Yeah, I agree. But I'll give you my address. Come pay me a visit.
because as soon as you start taking those losses, big or small,
Oh yeah,
that's it.
right. But don't teach
Then
me
you
how to
s-
trade.
then you suck at trading. You don't
Right.
know what you're doing. You suck.
Or if you trade with
So,
anything other than a naked chart, you're not a real trader. Show me your freaking market, your prediction.
oh man, when I first started YouTube, man, it used to get to me, but now I don't care. I've learned,
Hmm.
I've learned not to care about what people
Right.
say.
Yeah, that part I agree.
I've learned not to care about what people say.
Here's my analogy. There are two carpenters preparing to construct a house or a building, right?
Hmm.
Two experienced carpenters, 25, 30 years in the business. The old school carpenter uses 25-year-old hand tools, right? The same carpenter with the same amount of experience is that power tool carpenter no longer a carpenter because he's using power tools? Or is that old hand school, hand tool carpenter no longer a carpenter because he or she doesn't use power tools? They've both been building houses for 30 years successfully.
Yeah,
You, you, you see my point?
yeah, I see your point.
It's just plain lunacy. No, seriously though. Let's stop this juvenile sophomoric mentality about indicators. It's a tool. It's simply a tool. It's my tool. You don't like it, keep it to your freaking self. No, I'm not you, but it's,
And like I always say, I have nothing against traders that use indicators. Like as long as it's working for you,
hmm
then keep using it. But this is what I will say though, when it comes to using indicators, this is what I will say. I feel like using it alone by itself, it can't make you profitable long term.
oh, no doubt.
You just have to use it with price action.
I understand that.
Because I mean, I started out using indicators myself. Like if you go on my YouTube and look at my old videos, like
Oh yeah,
from 2 years ago,
50 EMA.
they were I was using the indicators.
Yeah.
My favorite one was Ichimoku Cloud. That thing
Okay.
made me so much money. It was Ichimoku. It was when I started using Ichimoku Cloud that I actually started seeing, results consistently.
Yeah.
The only issue I had was that I was very greedy,
hmm
very greedy. At that time, I was using Ichimoku Cloud. I was combining it with just basic support and resistance, and that was it. Doo, doo, doo. The way the market is moving, man. No real good entries, man. I'm telling you. It's not even a joke. What's this? I mean, my losses are short, but yeah, still, I don't like losing. Yep, there's nothing wrong with indicators. Sparkle B, good morning. Why did I stop using Ichimoku Cloud? It was just a personal preference. Nothing wrong. It was just a personal preference. Yep, I agree, Rudy. This week at least. Last week it was not like this. Last week was, man, beautiful. I smashed NFP week completely. I had almost 85% win rates last week, and that was NFP week. But this week hasn't ended yet, so we'll see what happens. Today's just Tuesday. Still got, today, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So the week hasn't ended yet. Brian, they've pissed you off now. Don't know, man. Man, you gotta be very, 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 very careful with the way the market is moving right now. Looks like it was only Nas that gave that nice sell earlier. Everything else
Right.
has just been fake out upon fake outs.
Uh huh. Oh, you made a transfer? Yes.
Let's see something here. This
Mm-hmm.
is GJ. Got this support here.
Right. 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 Right.
Um,
Mm-hmm.
Let me see.
Right.
See what GG is gonna do here.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Not in GJ. I just
In
had
the
it
month,
have this on here.
what was it? About 6 weeks now. You made that transfer? Not that long. Yeah, I remember you made the transfer.
Oh, his transfer finally went through.
Did you change your lot size a little lower?
So Michael, when I
Okay.
trade NAS, I usually use
And also, one of
between
this,
250
have a daily
to 600 points, which is
maximum amount of
25
money
to
that you want to
60
lose,
pips,
that you can afford to lose, right?
depending on my
And
entry
when you reach that limit,
on
don't
when
trade
I
anymore.
trade
Don't even
NAS.
trade anymore for that week. So whether it be a dollar amount or a percentage, once you reach that loss, stop trading. Don't go back in the market. Don't go back in the market. I don't, I don't care how tempting it is. Even if things go, gosh, you got in that trade. No, you shouldn't have. Hmm. Now, okay.
GJ, check buys
How old are
above
you?
here.
How old are you?
Sells, I'm taking sales below
Take this
163,
from someone who's 61 years old.
16300.
Okay, so take this from someone who's 61 years old, right? Who
Um,
could be in his bed, and we've been through this before. You know I don't have to trade, right? That attitude that you just said, I have additional money, be, be it overtime, be it from real estate, don't don't conflate because now, and that's good, right? But don't develop an attitude of that's play money. I can use that money to play with, or I can afford to lose it. Because 5 years from now, that play money that you lost over the past 60 months is $50,000, right?
I,
Or
I,
75, or whatever the amount is.
I'm not in yet, guys.
So
Um,
go back to, I think I may have said this before, I'm not sure. Approach every trade as though if this was, you have a daughter, correct? So, okay, if I needed this money for my son's life-saving surgery, would I take this trade? And that sounds a little extreme, but I want you to get it in that mindset. You're gonna lose a trade, but you want to lose a trade where you knew you had a high probability of winning, right? It wasn't just
I'm in,
a
guys.
hope.
I'm in, EJ.
You know, Jay?
Boy, yeah,
So,
boy.
because this is how at 50 I was able to retire, right? So, and his reason why that idiot ticked me off so much, I know money management. I don't need you, whoever the Oscar Ray is, to tell me how to manage my money. Where I can drown your ass in money.
Man, please.
I can suffocate
um,
you. So approach it with the mindset of, you know, what's my chance of winning this trade?
all right.
Because that money you trade is real money. That's not some
While we're waiting on
demo job.
EJ here, so if you're looking for a very good broker, then I do recommend Hanko Trade. With Hanko Trade, you can use your either MT4 or MT5 as your trading platform. And with Anchor Trade, the two different account types that I do recommend is ECN if you have less than $1,000. If you have at least $1,000, go with ECN Plus. Now with Hanko Trade spread starts from zero point 0.0 pips, maximum leverage of 1 to 500, negative balance protection, very good low commission, and you can also apply for a matching deposit bonus. But if you do that, make sure your leverage is not more than 1 to 200. And if you don't need to do that, you can use the maximum leverage, which is 1 to 500. And that's what I use in my own account as well. So if you're interested in Anchor Trade, you guys can use the link down below in the description. See what EJ's doing. Wow, this is what EJ should have done from the beginning. Um, I think with this copy, I think I'm gonna switch my master from Hugo's Way to Hanko Trade, man. I'm gonna do that next week. Ah, damn. We'll see. was gonna take GJ from here, but it's alright. Did anyone take GJ? Because I did not. Hold on, how am I not at 10 views here? So I still have to get to like 14.
Okay, we'll chat later.
41,
Okay.
586. I didn't take GJ myself. I only took EJ. I actually didn't take GJ. Uh, Good morning, Tado. Hold on, Brian, are you still here?
Yes, I just muted myself.
Oh, because your camera went blank.
Oh, I turned it off.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm still here.
Oh, man. Whatever happens here, I'm done with London session today. Hold on, was that GJ or EJ? Oh, that's GJ. I didn't take GJ. I didn't take GJ, I took EJ. Oh, your boy. Mm-hmm. All right, Zay. Yep, London is not looking nice. Let me look at GJ.
Coach, you may have an entry for NAS.
Oh, let me see. Yeah. Yeah, since I didn't get it from supply, now I gotta wait for it to break below 10,860. And all right. Trying to see where this thing is. Uh, Even gold is not doing nothing. Uh, all right, I'm done with London, guys. I'm done with London. I'm gonna close this. I closed it. Close the negative 5 pips. I'm done. London session almost took all the profits I've made. Almost. All the profits I made before London session. London session
Gone.
almost took it all. Almost. Almost. Left me with 2 grand.
Mm.
So London session took, I'm about to tell you what London session took 2, 3. London session took 7. London session took 7 grand for me. So before it takes everything I've made before London,
You close it out.
I close it out and I'm done. I'm completely done. So I will be trading New York session today, Brian.
Okay.
And maybe New York session will be better than London because this is London, it just keeps faking me out. First was this freaking EJ sell that we took here. Perfect sell setup. Should have continued falling. Boom, didn't do that. Took buys here. Boom, didn't do that. Another buy. Boom, fake out again. So I'm done. Ah, no, no, no. I'm not streaming New York. No. I'm just gonna be trading it with the VIP. No, I'm still gonna stick to streaming London. Um, I mean, it's just like that today, so it is what it is. Well, before I go, damn. Alright, I ain't tripping. 123 loss, 314 win. I'm not tripping. Um,
I'll probably miss London. I mean New York. I'll be at the doctor's office with my daughter.
oh, yeah, 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 yeah. You said that earlier. Alright, no worries. I mean, then, whenever you get a copy, and then even if you're not around,
Yes.
it will take it for you. Um, yeah, so, but this is why I like to cut my losses short. Now, instead of me losing 15 pips on EJ, I only lost 5 pips.
Hmm.
There's just no reason for me to keep holding it. Like, it broke below the first high here. I'm like, okay, let me still hold it. But when it started breaking below this low and tapped that 141 326,
Right.
there's just no point for me to keep holding it. So best for me to get out. Well, alright guys, that's today's stream for me. All the trades we took was basically all losses today. It's okay. We still got Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Uh, we could still make up for the losses today, and still finish up the week in profit. So,
Right.
um, That's it for me today, guys. God bless you all, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm completely done with London. If I take anything, it's probably gonna be either NAS or gold, not EJ or GJ. The EJ and GJ is playing too many games, so I'm staying away from them today, at least during London. I'll take a look at them during New York, but London, I'm done with them. So, see you guys tomorrow.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste in my mind.